dear students, I am going to explain you between sodium and copper, which has more threshold frequency. You know that more the work function, more is the threshold frequency. Less the work function, less the threshold frequency. In the case of sodium, you find to remove one electron from sodium atom, very less kinetic energy is needed, which is that kinetic energy which is used to remove the electron, one electron, that only becomes the work function. The work function of sodium here is less than that of copper. And since the work function is related to threshold frequency, so in the case of sodium we find very less kinetic energy is needed to remove one electron from its outermost orbit than in copper, because copper has more electron in the outermost orbit than sodium. So work function of copper is more, and so the threshold frequency of copper will be more and threshold frequency of sodium will be less, because sodium's work function is less, so sodium's threshold frequency will be less. Copper's work function is more, so copper's threshold frequency will be more, and so we can say that between sodium and copper has higher threshold frequency, because more kinetic energy will be needed to remove the electron from the copper atom, which will be converted into work function, and that is what we call work function. Okay, thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.